everyone, so I'm back again on another hints and tips. When you're buying a property, whether it's houses or flats, and you're looking to increase them, say you've got one flat and it's going to be two, or if you've got a house to flat, always check your services. Electric, gas and water. Have you got gas in there at the moment? Do you want gas? Have you got electric? Is it efficient? Let me turn this around and show you exactly what I mean. So in this building here, this is currently 3 flats. Ground floor, first floor and second floor. What we're going to be doing is a basement conversion, so nothing out of the ordinary just yet. Looking in here, we've got flat 1, as you can see there. You're looking at all the meters, where are the meters? So you look, one there, you can literally see a meter. And what you're trying to do is find out what's going on. So you've got 1, 2, there is a third one behind that wall, which is the ground floor. So them two, the upper floors, all seems perfect. But the issue here is, can you see? Well, if you look at all your wires, check where they're coming from. On this one, it goes down to the basement, there's an 80 amp fuse, single 80 amp, comes along here, up armoured cable, and out of there, into another 80 amp fuse. But then, that 80 amp fuse feeds that flat, it'll feed that flat, it also feeds a flat right behind. What you need to check with your electrician in your area is what is a sufficient power that you need in your area. Most times in a flat, smaller flat, you'll need at least a 40 amp fuse. Most electricians won't sign that off unless you've got a 60 amp fuse. So going back to what I was saying, most electricians won't sign it off unless it's an 80 amp fuse. Then, if you think already you've got 3 floors, even if it's 40 amps, you've got 4, 8, 12. You need at least 120 amps. Most occasions 60, 6, 12, 18. You need 180 amps. So there's not enough sufficient electric in this building. It's been running on just the amount. Can you imagine running 3 ovens, electric ovens, and 3 kettles, which are the most drawing power, on one 80 amp fuse? There's a good chance, and I don't know how, that hasn't already blown. So always check your supplies. Is the gas sufficient? Is there electric? Is it sufficient? And is there already water? And are you happy with that? Maybe the water, check see if it's lead. Check also, is it lead and shared? Check in the street for your boundary stop tap and see if that's only your stop tap or others. Some areas you may have, if funds are left, lead and shared, which means as long as you take your new plastic pipe main from your house to the boundary, they will swap that for free, because of the fact that the government are trying to get rid of lead because it's not very sufficient, especially with pregnant and things like that. So I hope that's helped. Check all your services and make sure you don't get overcharged. Speak to you soon.